Day by Day is a new paper pack from our friends at Mintay, and this has a very different look to it, but what is similar, there are always cutouts, and look at that. There are a total of 77 in this paper collection, and these are on a cardstock. Let me show you all of the sheets. You're going to get 12 of them, and you're going to get 2 of each that I'm showing you. So sometimes you're going to get an all-over print, and then on the back side you have another. Here is another all over, and there's the back side. And then we're getting into some cutouts, some additional cutouts in addition to what you have on the inside, on the back side of the cover. And then on the back of that, you've got a plainer version of each of those cutouts. So I kind of think you're going to use every single one of them. Now we get into some very different ones. And isn't it striking with that black, white, and that kind of peachy pink? There's the back side, just lots of rows. Here is Day by Day. Does that look familiar? And on the back side, we've got this distressed, and there is another. So if you are a scrapbooker, you might want to tend to put your photographs in the middle. Card makers, you know that you're going to be able to do 4 cards out of every single sheet. It's going to work beautifully. The back side of it, oh my, there's some distressed tile. In any case, all of these papers will work beautifully for card making, scrapbooking, just anything you want to do. And they're all in stock, called Day by Day.